Listen to me. And this is gonna sound a lot more harsh than I want it to sound, but it's gonna come out harsh. Dude, you're 34 freaking years old. It's time to put this stupid shit behind you. All right. And I know we only know what we know. But if you're as smart as he thinks you are, then you're smart enough to know where you're lacking in skill set. Come get some help on that. Counsel, your appearance for Riggs.
Good morning, Judge. John Grassi, P number 43387, appearing on Mr. Riggs. Please state your name. Kevin Riggs.
Good morning.
We've discussed this matter with the prosecutor and the result we're entering into a guilty plea for the two charges of retail fraud and then one count.
Do you care which one gets dismissed?
I do not care.
All right. So Heather, we'll dismiss 0659. All right, Mr. Riggs, did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes.
You understand those rights and the options they present?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of retail fraud?
Yes.
All right. Understanding this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to 2 charges of retail fraud today?
Yes.
All right, let's start with the file I've got open. July 18, 2025, were you in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Looks like you were at Myers.
That's correct.
All right, and did you try to take some merchandise out of the store that day without paying for it?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yeah.
All right, what was the merchandise?
So a couple of electronics and some clothing.
All right, and then we've got another file from July 10, 2025. On that day, at that day, were you at Myers?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you try to take some merchandise out of the store without paying for it?
Yes.
And what was the merchandise that day? All right, I'll accept your plea on both files. I'll dismiss the third file. All right, are you working?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where?
Factory called Risha in Saline, Michigan.
How long you been at Freesia?
13 and a half years.
All right. So drugs, alcohol, gambling, what are you retail frauding for?
Little bit of alcohol problem, and I was homeless for a little while, and I was just going through
So why electronics? You're stealing food, that makes sense to me.
just trying to get money for it. He broke up with his girlfriend and didn't have much of a support mechanism. He's essentially estranged from his family in Milan, Michigan, and he's a very intelligent gentleman, and talking with him, he's got tremendous, he's got a tremendous future once it applies himself. I told him to go to trade school, this background, Risha's a little bit company, it's unionized.
Yeah. Where you living now?
I'm living in Holiday West Trailer Park. Is that you?
Who you living with?
My current girlfriend.
Okay. Whose trailer?
Is her good?
Uh-huh. That's how you got here to start with. That's why you got homeless to begin with. You pissed your landlord off and she kicked you out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are they paying you at Freesia?
$21.
All right.
He could go into the skilled trades judge. He's got programs he can take advantage of and give them some guidance. He should take advantage.
How old are you?
34.
I bet you're not where you hoped you'd be when you were 20.
Absolutely not.
Anything else I should consider?
Judge, again, just consider the fact that he's gainfully employed, he had a big hiccup, but I'm asking that you keep him out of jail, maybe have a minor amount of probation or those two us can, straight drive.
Got a good driver's license? I mean,
Yeah, yes.
what days are you working for, Isha?
Typically Monday through Friday, and then if we have to work a Saturday, we'll go on Saturday.
Do you get time off?
I do, but.
Well, here's where I'm at. My initial my initial thought when you walked up here is you're probably going to do some jail time. Then I was listening to your story. I'm thinking, all right, I'm not going to do jail time, but I was going to do work program. So work program means you schedule the days, but you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning to do the work. Can you do that? I don't want you to lose your job, obviously.
Could I do it on like Saturday or Sunday or?
Problem with that is I'm going to order 8 days on the work program. There's only 2 Saturdays a week or 2 Saturdays a month that we do it. Do you not get days off during the week?
No.
All right, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm going to give you some grace today, but it comes with a cost. Because I'm not playing no shit with you if you screw this up. Because I'm going to put you on probation. If you continue to do stupid stuff like this, then I'm going to jail you. And these are 93-day files. All right. So on the one file, I'm going to put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation, 4 days on the work program. I'm not going to charge you any money. All right. On the other file, I'm putting the restitution on that file, and I'm also going to charge you the minimum 145 on top of the restitution and 4 days on the work program, and you're still on probation. So for 12 months, if you can stay out of trouble, and I'm going to make a note in the file that I'm going to let you have Saturdays. So we're going to wait a long time for you to get done with the work program. But if you screw up by getting new charges, dude, bring your toothbrush when you come see me, because you're going to jail. All right. Now, I want you to hear my heart. If you're not sure you can do what you need to do to stay out of jail without help, then buddy, you get up here and ask for some help. We got programs we can refer you to.
Yes, you are.
But if the next time you're standing there, you screwed up and I'm getting ready to put you in jail, I don't want to hear you want help then. Because I'm going to put you in jail. I'll tell you, when you're done with jail, come back and we'll help you. But you're going to jail at that point. So if you need help staying straight on this stuff, then come to us before you've screwed up. You listening?
Yes.
Are you hearing? You're welcome. So I made a note, Saturday work programs are all right.
Thank you.
All right. But you owe us money on some old files. You owe us $486. Are you on a payment plan on that? Get on a payment plan before you leave. I don't care if you start payments this week or you start in November, but get a payment plan on paper.
Yes. Chuck, what was that result?
There's a 486 on an older file, 2 civil infractions, impeding traffic and double parking from 2023. Listen, man. And this is gonna sound a lot more harsh than I want it to sound, but it's gonna come out harsh. Dude, you're 34 freaking years old. It's time to put this stupid shit behind you. All right? Now, and I know we only know what we know. But if you're as smart as he thinks you are, then you're smart enough to know where you're lacking in skill set. Come get some help on that.
Fingerprint order.
Yes.
When can you?
Was that Van Buren, right? Can you go to the Van Buren PD today to get your prints taken? Between now and 3 p.m.?
Yes.
You know where that's at on Tyler Road? Okay, all right. So that's the order. All right. Good luck. And seriously, man, I would love it if you showed up here in the next couple of months and said, you know, I need help with this, 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 and this. Because one thing I really love to do is tell people how to live. I'd be,
You're at the probation meeting.
he needs to go down and get his payment plan set up, schedule his work days. And seriously, dude, if you find some stuff in your life that you need some help with, come back and see us. All right? It's time for this stuff to stop.
He needs to wait just a second for him to get the fingerprint.
Fingerprint order.
And then we'll send you out.
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment, but also about protecting victims, encouraging accountability, and maintaining public trust. The courtroom once again demonstrated why fairness and law matter in society.
In this heated custody dispute, the judge delivered a powerful warning about honesty and transparency in court. Miss Huey was told that court rules apply to everyone, even those representing themselves. The judge made it clear that evidence cannot be hidden and then revealed at trial. Any information not properly disclosed could be excluded entirely. The court also denied a temporary parenting plan change, stating there was no proof of immediate danger to the child. As tensions rose, the judge ordered full discovery responses within 30 days and warned both sides that courtroom procedures must be followed without exception.
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment,